Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Yes, it's finally here. We've got some new flavors for Belles Gourmet popcorn, and we have refilled all of the favorites. We've been keeping track of which ones you guys love the best, so we're going to unbox all of these, and then you can watch and see what all flavors we got. You can just go to hookedonpickin.com right now, and they're available. And it is under Belles Gourmet Popcorn, made right here in the United States. And we're super excited to finally get this order, and we've got some fun Christmas flavors. So let's see what we get. All right, so these have always been a fan favorite. You can find them in the candy and snacks section on Hooked on Pickin'. So just go to that collection. You can find it. We've got 2 new flavors, and I'm going to be unboxing all of them. And they range from $5.49 per bag all the way up to $6.99 for the really fancy schmancy ones. So let's go ahead and get into this box. I'm going to bring it over here. Oh my goodness. And we're going to see what we have. So we buy usually about 15 boxes of popcorn at a time, just to restock, so that's really fun. So it looks like we have, I'm gonna move this back. Okay, so each box I believe has 18 bags of popcorn. So let's see what flavor this is. Ooh. Ooh, is this one of our new ones? Yes, this is one of our new ones right off the bat. White chocolate peppermint. So it actually has, like if you look, the little peppermint pieces in it. Oh, look at there. See, like the candy cane peppermint. So this is our white chocolate peppermint. So basically like our fun candy cane flavored. So we have a bunch of those. Those are going to be amazing. So white chocolate peppermint in that one. So let me figure out how I'm going to stack these here. And we have, ooh, this one is a lighter weight one, so it's probably one of my savory ones. Usually my chocolate ones, the bag weighs just a smidge more just because of the yummy goodness on it. This is a favorite, I think. I think if it's the one I think, yes, Dill Pickle. This one literally tastes like, as soon as you eat it, you get that, I feel like I just ate a pickle. You know, but it's yummy popcorn. So this is amazing, very flavorful for dill pickle. I never thought I'd like the dill pickle flavor, but I do. All right, what's the last box in here? We might end up with some duplicates, so we'll see. I don't think this is the same as what we've already opened. I'm a little bit short, so we're gonna drop this down. There, that's easier for me. Woo, look at that. That's Christmassy, isn't it? Oh, this is another new one. Mint chocolate chip.
Oh, man.
Doesn't that look amazing?
Like an Andes mint.
It is like an Andes mint. That's what he told us. He said it tastes like Andes mints.
That's awesome.
This is amazing. How fabulous is that? Mint chocolate chip. I want to
green
eat it right.
color for Christmas.
It is perfect green color. Couldn't you see this at your Christmas holiday gatherings? You just buy 2 or 3 bags of these, dump them in a bowl, and bring that for Christmas. That'll be a lot less work than cooking, right? All right, so mint chocolate chip and white chocolate peppermint are our 2 new ones. And then which ones did we replenish, or which ones have you maybe not seen before? Let's check those out. All right, what's in this one? So some of these flavors we have been out of for quite some time. So it's really good that we've been replenishing them, because as you know, we have not done a popcorn order in a long time, mainly just because we were making room. What is this one? It's stuck to the tape. There we go. Extra buttery. Believe it or not, this is our most famous one, but this tastes better than movie theater popcorn. Most popular one.
It's odd. With
extra
all
buttery.
The flavors, and then it's the extra butter is the...
You know what I love about this company? First off, they're amazing. They're based right in here in the United States. But these bags are phenomenal. Look at them. It's like 6 different zip tie or sealers, like Ziploc sealers. And so you can leave them and you can eat out of this bag and then seal it. Not that I ever seal it. I eat the whole bag at once. But with some of the sweet ones, you might want to take a little longer than, you know, one sitting to eat them all. But those bags are awesome. All right. This must be a sweet one. It weighs a little bit more than the extra buttery one. for all that yummy goodness. Now there's a color for you. Cotton candy. So I should just get one bag of each and have them out, lay them out. All right, let's see. What else we got? Pull this one out. Okay, last one in this box. Sorry, I'm just going to use this over here. What flavor is this one? Extra cheddar. This is also one of our most favorite ones. Yeah. So the extra buttery and the extra cheddar are probably two of our most popular flavors. And it gets ordered, and this one is probably the one that's most ordered over and over again by the same customer. Mm-hmm. Like it reorders. This one and the extra buttery. So, all right, awesome. We've got that. Okay. What's in these boxes? These are awesome boxes to use for shipping later. Oh, just as a reminder, since this is going out on Saturday, we are doing a 15% off clothing on hookedonpickin.com. So use the promo code. I know it's just past Thanksgiving, so use the promo code Thanksgiving, and you'll be able to get 15% off everything in that collection: shoes, clothes, pants, all of that. So let me see. We got extra cheddar. We got white chocolate peppermint. This one's a new one. This one is, Kettle Corn. This is my absolute favorite flavor. I'm a Kettle Corn fan. Now, my daughter Faith doesn't like Kettle Corn. She's not a fan of Kettle Corn, but she really, really loves the Dill Pickle. So, all right, so that's a cool one. I'm just going to slide this right back in here to save myself some room. All right. Let's get into this box. So much yumminess. Remember, it's under the snacks category, and it is going to be Belles Gourmet popcorn, and they're all 6-cup bags, resealable 6-cup bags. Okay, we have, this one says mint chocolate, which we've already seen. That was the green one. Okay. This one's heavy. It is a heavy box. All right, so this one is marked the same as this one, so we'll have to see what they are. I'm going to put this down here for room. I'm a little bit surrounded by some of our fire sale orders that I'm about to label in just a moment. So don't forget to pay for your fire sale order. We had a great fire sale yesterday. Lots of fun deals. This one is caramel corn. That's a fan favorite too. So lots of traditional flavors, but these are just so yummy and goodness. And they stay for a really, really long time. So that's one thing that's nice with those bags, is that they last forever. Put this right here. All right, one more box of Belles Gourmet popcorn. What other flavors did we get? So far, we've gotten some really fun ones, some sweet, some savory. Love the mint chocolate chip and the white chocolate peppermint for Christmas time. All right, what else do we have in here? This one's heavy too. There we go. It's just hard to grip. All right. This one is sea salt caramel. Sea salt caramel. That one is a really yummy one too.
I like sea salt caramel.
Listen, I keep saying that one's a yummy one. I tried them all and I love them all. So I'm going to literally say that about every single one because they're all good. I've never had a bad flavor of Belles Gourmet popcorn. All right. Another one. Let's see what this one is. So run on over. Remember, you get $100 free shipping, or if you order $100 or more, you get free shipping. Birthday cake. Look how fun is that? You could put the green popcorn and the peppermint popcorn, or the green and this, and it'd just be such a tasty bowl. Tasty bowl. All right, and then we have one more of extra buttery. So one more of the extra buttery, yummy, yummy in my tummy. So go right on over to hookedonpickin.com. Don't forget about our 15% off Thanksgiving code. So type in Thanksgiving, you get 15% off anything in the clothing and shoes category. And then this is all under snacks and candy. And we have all these new flavors and obviously lots of bags of each kind. So don't forget to check out the, the white chocolate peppermint and then the mint chocolate chip. So those are our new Christmas flavors, and yay for new Belles Gourmet popcorn. We have replenished, and we do still have some of the other fun flavors that are really, really good as well. So check those out, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.